Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. Today's video is sponsored by Walmart. So many of you asked about the housewarming, how I put things together. So I've partnered up with Walmart to share that. So I will be doing a place setting. Before I get into the full details of this, I need to prep my kitchen to get ready because I will be doing the most today. So as I'm cleaning my kitchen, I am preparing my secondary island because I will be doing some floral arrangements. We've had some amazing news over the last couple of 2 weeks. One, my baby has been coming home with straight A's, which is a blessing, okay? Second, my boyfriend's son, he's been coming home with A's and B's this week, which is really great. You guys, if you haven't been keeping up with me on Instagram, I have a new truck for my business. I'll be sharing a totally different video for that. And then Babe is going through a new restructure with his business. And so something that I like to do is just celebrate everyone in the house. And considering we're all going to be together this weekend, I wanted to make dinner, but I wanted it to be a little bit special for everyone to celebrate and, to give us an opportunity to also talk. So I'm cleaning the kitchen, getting it ready for dinner tonight, and I will be sharing the full details of that. I'm going to share some of the new pieces that I picked up from Walmart, but as I'm cleaning and prepping now, I'm grabbing just a few items out of my cabinet because I'm going to share with you. I already had some things from Walmart, like this tray right here, which is really good if you want to create some personalized appetizers for everyone. I told you guys I'm a little extra when it comes to making dinner, and this is definitely part of it. I feel like it gives an opportunity to create conversation, and everyone ends up with like their own little tray that they can personalize with what they would like to eat. Something you may want to consider when you are purchasing your cups, especially when you're going to be using them for the kitties, is shatterproof. These cups happen to be indoor, outdoor, so I didn't have to worry about them breaking. So the first thing that I'm going to suggest is finding vase or candle holders, and also finding different size and color of plates. That way you create a great layering on your table or on your island. What I did, I opted to go for black and white, and I did some layering. Now, when it comes to the candle holders, I added water, and then I added the floating candles, which Walmart also carries. Now,
I will say you need quite a bit. So find ones that are inexpensive and then you want to layer. I have the tall ones, I have the medium, and then I have the small. So totaling out, I want to say there's 5 on each side, so there's about 10 of them, and they just add such a great ambiance to the overall space. If you saw my housewarming video, you see as my friend panned down the camera, it just created such a great halo. So I absolutely love candles. Also, another idea is floral arrangements. And if you happen to be shopping inside of Walmart, then I highly recommend checking out their florals also. Now, when it comes to the floral arrangement, the first tip that I'm going to share with you is to go big. Find a floral arrangement that you absolutely love, including the colors, the style, and once you find them, then you want to create your arrangement. For this, I didn't use the tape method because I had enough roses and carnations to really fill up this vase, and so I did the crisscross method in order to hold it in place. The end result turned out to be so nice. It created a great centerpiece and it was colorful, and again, it was big, and once you surround it with the candles, it looks amazing. Here is us at dinner, and again, it just looks so good. The kids had a really great time. What I ended up making for dinner is a cucumber salad with smoked salmon, capers. If you've seen this young gentleman on TikTok, he is going viral for his cucumbers. For the entree, I ended up doing a seafood medley with broccoli. I kept it really simple, you guys. So this is it. I hope you enjoy it. Everything will be linked in the description box.
Really quickly, I want to share with you guys the dishes, which are also plastic. This is what I serve the salad in, and then these are the plates in which I had on the table. Again, they are not glass, so not only are they great when you're hosting with the kids, but they're also great for everyday use. I went with black. They did have some other colors. These are just a few things that I feel like you should take into consideration, especially when you're serving the kids, because I have a lot of dishes, but having something that I know 100% guarantee that isn't going to break is really good. This does come in a set of 8. So you have 8 dishes, you have 8 little small serving dishes, you have 8 bowls, and then you also have 8 cups. Again, everything will be linked in the description box down below. I also want to share with you that I also grabbed this pitcher, and it comes with 6 of these glass ones. Again, if you have older babies, you can use these. These are really, really nice. Personally, for me, I like drinking my water in here, and so this is another really great option. I think buying sets are really great when you're hosting. Also, when it comes to these were just really, really great and went with the overall decor in the house. And I love the fact that it had the ribbing on there, which was really nice. It just wasn't like solid black. And they do come in, I think they come in 2 or 3 sizes, but I did the medium and also the large. Again, you don't have to break the bank. You can put together a really great dinner or housewarming by using these here. If you're looking for a size comparison between the large and the medium, this is it, okay? This is the large, and again, I use this to house the wine. One last thing, you guys. Now, I'm gonna give you 3 ideas for these trays because they are so cute. They actually are the 3-tier tray if you look back at the video. So the first thing that you can do is you can do appetizers. Now, normally I will do like a deviled egg, some sort of barbecue or a lamb, and you can just do like 1, 2, and then 3, and then display it really pretty. Something else you can do if you really want to get super personalized and you may just be having like 4 or maybe 6 people, you can use the center inner lining of this and create a charcuterie board. So you can put about 3 crackers in here. You can do your jam, you can do your meats, you can do pretzels, you can do apricots, you can do your grapes. That way everyone has, and then just put like a little flower on the end, a little bit of garnish, something really pretty. This is also absolutely amazing. I'm gonna give you the third option. The third option if you have finger foods and you just want to take it up a notch, you want to take your little sauce bowl, which is really cute here. You want to put your sauce in here, and then you can put everything here, whether it's chicken or lollipop, lamb chops, or maybe like some salmon or something. But you can just create some sort of separation just to give it like a really pretty look. Now I've used this, I've even used this for dessert. So if you wanted to, now these I purchased somewhere else, you can put like a little bit of cake in here, bake it. Once you bake it, top it with a little bit of ice cream, and then put something here. Whether you want to sprinkle a little happy birthday, a little I love you, a little heart. I've done that before also. So when it comes to hosting and having little small intimate settings in the house, I am big on E for effort. It doesn't have to be something extravagant. The look on the kids' face when they saw like the candle lit and the room being dimmed down and the food, they were very excited about it and it felt good. And 100%, it was definitely cheaper than going out to dinner, because normally here in Atlanta, you're talking about a good $200, and the night did not cost that much. And these are things that you're going to be able to use over and over and over again. So I hope you guys take this video into full consideration for your next hosting gig. All right, you guys, bye.